In this guide, you'll learn where can you find digital membership card on Costco app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded the official Costco wholesale app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign in with the Costco account that's linked to your active membership. Once you are logged in, open the app and tap the Account or Card tab. Depending on your version of the app, from there select Digital Membership Card. Your digital card will appear on the screen displaying your membership barcode and account information, which you can use to enter Costco warehouses and check out at participating locations. If this is your first time accessing the digital card, you may be asked to verify your membership details or complete a quick identity verification process. If you don't see the digital membership card option, make sure your membership is active, you are signed in with the correct Costco account, and you are using the latest version of Costco app. If the issue continues, contact Costco Member Services for assistance. And that's all there is to finding your digital membership card in Costco app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.